Good morning, or I should say good afternoon, actually. I'm so used to saying good morning, but it's really the afternoon. I am here for you today to teach you our next number. We are almost at 20, and so today we are going to learn about the number 18. That's right, you can probably see it right up here, right? But first, before we start our practice sheet, let's look at our number card for the number 18. And there's a little boy who looks like he's collecting apples. So let's count all of these apples together using one-to-one correspondence. Ready? I will touch and you count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Very good. And we always want to touch and count using one-to-one correspondence so that we're not counting faster or slower than our finger is moving. We always want to touch and say it together. Very good. So I am going to email your number 18 practice sheet along with this lesson, with this video. So you can either print it out, pause, and go print it out right now. So you can do your practice sheet right along with me, or you can just watch the lesson first and then you can go back and practice your number 18s afterwards. Okay, so we know that we make an 18 with a 1 and an 8, right? So let's look at our practice sheet right now so that we can work on writing the number 18 together. I'm going to try to get as close as I can for you, all right? Okay, remember you always want to start with your name at the top because when you get to kindergarten soon and you hand in your work, your teacher is going to need to know that it's yours. So write your name at the top and we're going to practice the number 18. A 1 and an 8 makes 18. So I already have my green dots here because green means go. And I know lots of you don't need your green dots anymore. If you want to make your green light, you can. If you don't think you need it, then you know that we always start our numbers at the top. Good. Okay, so let's get started. And the 1 is always easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? 1 line down, then we're done. That's the way we make a 1. You guys are pros at that. And just remember with the number 8, we start with the letter S. Make an S, and when you stop, bring it back up to the top. Okay, and there is, whoops, there's your number 8. Almost lost my easel there. All right, let's do that again. A 1 and an 8. Make an S, and when you stop, bring it back up to the top. Very good. Let's see if I do it on this side. Can you see it a little better? 1 line down, then you're done. That's the way you make a 1. And then for our 8, make an S. And when you stop, bring it back up to the top. Good job. Trace one more. A 1 and an 8 makes 18. Okay. Now when you get to the second row, you're going to copy what you just traced. A 1 and an 8. Look, there's my S. Bring it back up to the top. Just connect it right up to the top, okay? I'm sorry if my hand is blocking it and then it's a little hard to see. But you're going to start at the green light, make your 1. Let's try this again. Make an S. There's the S. And when you stop, bring it back up to the top. Good. A 1 and an 8. Make an S. And when you stop, bring it back up to the top. A 1 and an 8 makes 18. Very good. Okay, let's look at the number line. Now remember, our number line is not starting at the number 1. Our number line is starting at the number, that's right, 11. Very good. So again, touch and count with me. And when we get to that empty box, tell me what number we need to fill in the empty space. Ready? Begin. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Good. And look at the pattern. A 1 and a 1 is 11. A 1 and a 2 is 12. A 1 and a 3 is 13. 1 and a 4, keep the pattern going. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 6, 1 and a 7. So we know that 18 has to be a 1 and an 8. 18, 19, 20. Very good, boys and girls. Okay, we're almost there. Let's look at these 10 sticks. And remember, I just gave it away. So how many cubes are in a 10 stick? 10. That's right. Again, we're going to start coloring from the bottom up, just as if we were coloring a bar graph. And then when we count all the way to the top and we get to 10, we're going to come to the second 10 stick. And how many are we going to color? We need 1 10. And how many more? That's right, 8 cubes or 8 ones. Okay, so let's do that together. Remember, 1-to-1 correspondence. Color as you count. Don't color too fast. Don't color too slow. Don't count too fast. Don't count too slow. Stay together. Ready, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and stop. Very good. 18. And so how many cubes are left? 2. Very good. 18 cubes. All right, and the last part, all we have to do are touch and count the fingers. And again, please remember to use 1-to-1 correspondence. Stay together so your fingers stay with your mouth. You're touching and counting together. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Excellent. 18 right there. We do not count the thumb and the pinky because those fingers are down, and we just write the number 18 in the circle. And say it with me one more time. How do we make the number 18? A 1 and an 8. Make an S. I'm going to say it one more time, and then you stop. Bring it back up to the top. Very good, boys and girls. Good job. Everybody kiss your brain. Good work. If you have not already done your sheet, you can go print it out now and you can go work on it. And I'll see you again soon. All right. I miss you. I love you. And I can't wait to see you. Bye.